So he just left the JCDC stage copying the Class 3 Storytelling Medal. Here to perform his winning piece, Anancy and the Yam Hill, is Damijae McCalla.
When I say crick, you say crack. Crick?
Crack.
Crick?
Crack.
Crick?
Crack.
Once upon a time, there lived an old woman who could have do magic. She did evil too. So some people call her a witch. Guess what her name was? Guess the man?
Simone.
No, sir.
Delia.
No, man.
Empress.
No, sir. Her name was Five. Yes.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nobody never did know why our parents decided to name her so. But when she did younger and I got school, they picked them with a tease her so bad. Sometimes when she a pass, them would a look out of them corner eye, I laugh and I sing. Give me 5, give me 5, give me 5, I 5, give me 5, give me 5, give me 5, I 5. What the Pitney them did sing? Sing it with me.
Give me 5, give me 5, give me 5, I 5.
Give me 5,
Give me 5, give me 5, I 5.
No, this did make 5 cross, hungry, miserable. So she decide she a go end this teasing. So she make up one weird spell. Alakazam, allow me no care. Anybody who say 5 will disappear. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. How the spell go? Say it with me. Alakazam.
Alakazam.
Allow me no care.
I me no care.
Anybody who say 5
Anybody who say 5
will disappear.
me disappear.
Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Now, you have one conniving little spider who did live in a 5 village. How would the spider the name again?
No,
say it out, man.
Never.
No, sir. Anancy.
Okay.
Yes.
Never.
Times did hard. And the dollar just a slide go so. So him decide him a go plant some yam hill on the roadside where everybody did have a pass for go market. Everybody know to count, right?
Yes.
All right then. Count them here with me. Implant 1, 2, 3, 4. Me catch you now. Me no want disappear. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And Nancy, make one hammock out of spider web in a one guango tree and lie down in there and sing him favorite song. When me rush me yellow yam and me slice it in a 2, how nice will it be with me ackee and me shellfish? And as soon as him done sing, guess what happened? The vine them start to shoot out. And I bred a dog that I come down the road. I sing him favorite song. Who let the dogs out? Roof, roof, roof. Who let the dogs out? Roof, roof, roof. And as soon as him reach the first yam hill, Anancy say, "What up, brother dog? What up?" Brother dog say, "Wagwan, Anancy." Anancy say, "Wagwan, brother dog. Me never got school like you. Say you can help me count them yam hill here." And Nancy say, brother dog say, "No, sir. You should have gone school. Go learn how to count." And Nancy say, "Please, brother dog, me know say you have the brain to somebody in another village here. And the other day, me hear somebody a say, oh, you dunce." "Me not dunce. Me a bright boy. Me know how to count. You have 1 roof, 2 roof, 3 roof, 4 roof, 5. You know what to brother dog? Him disappear. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And Nancy took up all of the fruits them where brother dog did plan for go sell a market. And him sit down on the roadside, having a wonderful time. Him do this trick to enough more people until a nice smart lady was walking down the road for Gar Market.
Nice.
Her name was Miss Peacock. And as soon as she reached the first yam hill, Anancy said, "Good afternoon, Miss Peacock. You are looking quite lovely today. Oh, you can help me count them yam hill here?" And because she was so nice and couldn't say no to nobody, she walked and stand upon the last one. And she said, "You have 1, 2, and the one me standing on. Anancy looking at one puzzled face. And I say, you count them over again, man. So she walked back on the last one, and she said, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one me standing on.
That's right, Miss Peacock.
And Nancy get angry now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one me standing on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one me standing on. The one me standing on is a number. Let me show you how to count. Me have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what I'm Anancy? Him disappear. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Miss Peacock take up all of the fruits them where Anancy did trick the villagers forget. And she shared them up with everybody. From that day on, everybody loved Miss Peacock. So she walked upright with pride. Now, with a learn say, if you want all, you lose all. If you want all,
you lose all.
Jack Mandora,
Me not choose none.
none.
Nice. Wonderful, Damijae. Well, my Anancy disappear. Just so 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Oh my gosh, that was amazing, Damijae. Thank you so much for that wonderful start to our morning.